Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see about VLOOKUP function. So what do you mean by VLOOKUP? V stands for vertical lookup. So whenever we have a data in the column wise, so that time we can make use of VLOOKUP. So let us consider this data. This data has around 10 rows or we can say 10 records. So employee code, employee name, department and salary. So now what first I can do is first I need to format this data. So to format this data, you can select inside any of data, then press Ctrl A. So once you do this, go to home section. There you will be having under font tab. Under font group, you can click on the bottom border. You can click on this border. Drop down, you will get all the borders design. So here what you can do is, so let me take all border. So once this is done, you can give a header a separate style. So to do that, select shift in a keyboard, go to A1 cell to till D1 cell reference. So after doing this, go to under style section, you can take cell style. So already we have predefined styles, whichever style you want, you can take it. So for example, I'm taking this accent one. So either I can increase the font size or I can decrease the font size. So I will remove these grid lines and all. I'll go for view and check grid lines. So now we will do some VLOOKUP. This is a sample of 10 records. Suppose if we have lakhs together, the same method only you have to do. The only thing to make you simple and understand, I have created this much. So what I can do is I'll write some employee code. Let me take employee code and let me take everything. So just copy this, paste somewhere here. So now what we can do is we can take all this employee code. To take this all this, what we can do is go to data. So we will take do some data validation. Click on data tools, click on data validation. So once you do this, you'll get data validations. You can see settings, input, message, error, alert. So right now we'll go with settings. So validation criteria, any value, click on the drop down, select the list. So now select the source. So let me select the source up to this. Then click on the same button, click on OK. So once this is done, you can observe here all the codes, employee code you can observe here. For example, let me take employee code 6. Okay. So now whenever I select a particular employee code, it should show me employee name, department as well as salary. So to make it clear, what we can do is we can make use of VLOOKUP. So let me go to the cell reference. So any formula or function we have to start with equal. So let me start with VLOOKUP. So inside function VLOOKUP, we have how many arguments. We need to check how many arguments, or we can tell that how many parts we have. So first thing is you can see lookup value, then table array, then column index number, then range lookup. So lookup value is nothing but employee code, then comma table array. Select entire data excluding the header. So select this with your keyboard, Control Shift right, Control Shift down. So now it has taken the range from A2 to D11. Then comma. Then employee name we want employee name. So employee name is which one? It is sitting under second column. So I need to key second column. Then next it is asking if you want approximate or exact match. I required exact match. So for that I will take either false or you can take 0 also. Then tab. So we got employee name, employee. So let me randomly pick some other employee ID. You can observe the employee name is getting changed. The same method we have to apply for department as well as salary. So to do this, what we can do, few things we have to fix it. So this one we have to fix for entire row. So for that we can use function F4. So this type of fix is called absolute reference. Then we have to fix this cell reference also. Function F4. Then enter. So now it is done. So shift right arrow you can take for whatever formula or function we have applied left side, that we need to continue with the right side. For that you can use shortcut key Control R. So only thing what we have to do is, so here the column number second, that is 2 it has taken. So here we need to change it to into 3, and this one change it into 4. Okay. So now we have got employee ID, employee name, department, salary. Select this and do some format. Go to font section, give all border. Then increase the size. Done. So now it is randomly, if you pick any employee code, you can come to know everything is getting changed. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.